Ilha do Campeche. This island is located off the coast of Florianópolis in Brazil in the Atlantic Ocean. It's listed as a landscape heritage island, which protects it from being developed and keeps its nature serene for animals and fish to thrive. The island is well known for its crystal clear water and boat-filled harbor. Costing $35 per person to get here. Is it worth visiting? Let's find out. Good morning, folks. Coming to you from Praia do Almachal. This is the second time we've been here. Absolutely love this stunning location. It's a perfect combination of blue water, a bay with a lot of fishing boats, green mountains in the background. It just makes for an incredible place to come hang out. So we have 10 minutes until the guide gets here. How much luck do you think we're going to have?
Well, this time I hope 100%.
Yeah, better luck than the kayaking adventure?
I hope so.
Just met our guide Fernanda and we are 100% good to go in the right spot. There's our boat right there.
It's huge, and that's way better than a small boat.
Wow, we're not even to the island yet, and the water here is so clear.
I feel like it's Caribbean water. I've never been there, but this is how I picture it in my head.
Just got boarded on the boat and we're on the Bellator tours, and we have 30 minutes until we're over to the island, and it's cram-packed with people. And I was hoping there'd be a little bit more ventilation, but there's not, but we're gonna get there. That's a monster lens you have. Like what's the meter on that? Like
7200.
72, wow, that's wild. Do you do a lot of nature photography?
I do.
Yeah? Do you have like an Instagram or something?
No, it's all private.
Okay, okay.
This is awesome.
Yeah, incredible.
It's Caribbean water, I swear.
First take of this place is, it is paradise. The water is blue, it is clear. It's like an uninhabited place. There's just no houses or anything, and pristine out here. On this island, it's important to note that there's only one restaurant, and then there are 2 hiking trails, which both need to be paid for. And if snorkeling is your thing, there's also snorkeling excursions. What are we gonna go do first?
Well, I hope we can go to the water to swim some. We brought our glasses for the water. I don't know how to say that. So I hope we can see some fishes.
There's shade over there. Do you want to go set our stuff down?
Let's go.
You know what? It smells like weed. I think somebody's smoking the devil's lettuce.
It's not me.
We do have shade all right here. Right there is the beach, so we'll be able to relax next to all the trees and get a nice breeze in the shade, and then go test out the water. No. No, you just got out of the water. What do you think about it?
It's awesome. It's like a pool. You can see the fish, you can see everything. It's so clear, the water is perfect.
Yeah, you saw fish?
Yeah, they're like so big. It's awesome. I love it. I love this beach.
Bally's had her fun in the water. Now it's time to go get mine. This water is perfect. It's got an awesome temperature. Knee deep in the water, I can still see my feet, so there's clarity to it. And the horizon, it's blue, and the sparkling that the water gives off from the bottom as the sun hits the surface of it. This is my view of the beach when I turn around. So a lot of greenery, mountainous, and then over here, not a lot of people. And of course, I just love all these boats. It's an unbeatable beach here in Florianópolis, that's for sure. $35 to get to the island, and 1000% worth it. This is the best beach I know I can speak for both of us that we've been on here in Floripa. And hanging out in the water with that tropical view in the background. There's just a lot of palm trees, just a jungle-like island that we're on here. I feel like this is where pirates would hang out or something.
Yeah.
After swimming around and soaking up a lot of vitamin D, both of us are starving though, so we're gonna go check out our only option to eat. We got a table right here with our friends. What is your name?
Carlos.
Carlos. ¿Y cómo te llamas?
Simone.
Simone y Carlos. So we met them on the boat, and now we're gonna be sharing a table with them out here on the beach. So good views, good friends. Paoli's also taking them a photo way out there. This is great. Here's the menu in front of us. We actually got the food right here, and I got the French fries with the grilled chicken. Is it good? She can't even talk. You know it's amazing, man.
And I was starving, so it's really good. It's great.
On the menu, let's see. The frango rechado is what it is, and 70 reais, so like, I don't know, 35 US dollars maybe, 30 US dollars. So not like expensive, but definitely more expensive than most places. I would say 70 reais for grilled chicken is overvalued for sure. But, you know, there's only one restaurant here, so you gotta pay it. I'm actually mistaken, there's two places here, but the one that we're getting our food at right now sells full meals like grilled chicken and other things, but the other place also has sandwiches, so if a cheaper option is required, then there's that option. Lunch was great, and we ended up just chatting with Carlos and Simone, and we made another friend from Italy, and we talked for like 2 hours at the table. So we weren't able to make any of the hiking adventures or the snorkeling, but we made some friends. So in total, this was a 4-hour excursion. Totally worth it. 100% recommend coming here. And Campeche, it really lives up to the hype. As always, if you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to be along on the next adventure, then hit that subscribe button. See you all next one.